Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're breaking down how to use RBC Virtual Visa Debit in 2025. If you're an RBC customer looking to streamline your online shopping and payments, this virtual debit card is a must-have for secure, convenient transactions. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is RBC Virtual Visa Debit? It's a digital version of your debit card that you can access through the RBC mobile app. It allows you to make contactless payments, shop online, and manage your funds without needing your physical card. Perfect for 2025's fast-paced digital world. To get started, ensure you have the latest RBC mobile app installed on your smartphone. Open the app and log in with your username and password. Once you're in, head over to the Cards or Accounts section. Look for the Virtual Visa Debit option. If it's your first time, you'll need to activate it. This usually involves a quick verification step, like entering a code sent to your phone. Now, let's cover the basics of using it. For online purchases, simply pull up the virtual card details in the app. You'll see the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Enter these just like you would with a regular card when checking out on websites or apps. Pro tip: the app often auto-fills this info for added security. For everyday use, add your virtual card to your digital wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. This lets you tap and pay at stores, make in-app purchases, or even split bills with friends. It's super easy and reduces the risk of carrying physical cards. Security is a big focus with RBC's 2025 updates. The virtual card includes features like real-time transaction alerts, customizable spending limits, and the ability to instantly freeze or unfreeze your card if something seems off. Always keep an eye on your app notifications and enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. In wrapping up, RBC Virtual Visa Debit makes banking simpler and safer. Whether you're shopping online or on the go, it's a game changer. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.